We put in this Rife pasture pump to get water up to the cows where it was no longer accessible because we had fenced off our stream banks. The cows were in and out of the streams too much. They were wading in the streams. They were getting dirty. We had mastitis problems. We wanted to get them out of the mud.
When you fence off your streams, how do you supply enough water for your livestock in the pasture? A dependable water supply means getting water where you need it, when you need it. Take control of water distribution. The Rife pasture pump allows you to pump fresh water directly to your cattle. Are you looking for a cost-efficient method to pump water? By taking advantage of nature, the Rife pasture pump works without wind, electricity, or fossil fuel. The Rife pasture pump employs proven, reliable technology to pump water.
I didn't have to demonstrate to the cows at all. I put it in the pasture, and in a matter of a few hours, I saw some cows gathered around it, working it, drinking. With the pasture pump, the water comes very fast, and one stroke of the pump gives more than a mouthful of water for the one cow that's drinking at it. So the water's always right there, and there's never any lag time from when the water starts to come. As soon as she pushes the paddle on the pump, the water's right there.
Once the Rife pasture pump is installed, it supplies water on demand at no additional cost with no maintenance. One pump can satisfy up to 30 horses or dry cows. How does it work? The Rife pasture pump is like a hand pump turned on its side. By nudging the handle, livestock can pump their own water. This system can be used to draw water from a surface or underground source. From a spring, pond, stream, or shallow well, water can be raised a maximum of 26 feet. The pasture pump can carry water a distance of 126 feet horizontally without any difficulty. This traditional Dutch-type nose pump has been used extensively in Europe for over 50 years. The lighter Rife pasture pump was introduced in the United States in 1992. The pump can be mounted on a timber platform or railroad ties held onto the ground by stakes. These stakes can be removed easily to facilitate convenient relocation of the pump for rotational grazing. At first installation, a simple foot valve should be installed at the end of the pipeline to keep water from washing back into the stream. Every time the pump is moved, a few strokes will prime the pump. The foot valve is included with Rife's pasture pump.
It's light, and it's easy to handle. I switch from paddock to paddock across the creek, and it's handy to go across the creek with it. It's not very heavy at all. I'm not sure what the weight is on it, but it's easy for one man to carry side to side.
Smooth, safe operation of the Rife pasture pump ensures water on demand. The heavy-duty yet lightweight pasture pump is made of non-corrosive cast aluminum parts with non-toxic rubber and plastic components. The natural aluminum finish helps avoid heating from exposure to the sun. Rife also supplies a white polyethylene pipe which keeps the flow at groundwater temperature.
Cows are milked twice a day, and we try to keep feed in front of them at all times. They're a good producing herd of cattle, and we keep them outside on the solid ground as much as we can, and we keep feed and water in front of them all the time, and that's where the pasture pump helps out. We have water there right where we need it and when we need it.
Rife pumps are unsurpassed, proven products. For over 100 years, Rife pumps have harnessed the power of nature, lifting and distributing water to wherever it is needed. The Rife Company supports a broad product line, including pasture pumps, ram pumps, and sling pumps. In addition, Rife provides storage tanks and other pasture water management equipment that works with pressurized systems. For detailed technical information, call Rife Ram or come visit the Rife Company in Pennsylvania and see for yourself how Rife pumps provide solutions for your water delivery needs. For dependable, cost-efficient service, rely on natural resources with Rife Pump.